How to add college or high school on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to add college or high school on Facebook. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So assuming now that you have updated your Facebook app, you may now open it and then you just simply go to your profile. So there are actually two ways in going to your profile. The first one is by clicking your profile picture right here, or the second one is by going to menu and then click on see your profile. Once you're right here, scroll down and click on edit public details right here. Click on Edit Public Details, scroll down, and then click on Edit under Details or on the rightmost part of Details. And then under Education, you may add a high school or your college. So for example, I will add my high school. I'll just simply click on it, and then you just simply click on this topmost part. So high school name. I'll just search for anything I want. So for example, I will choose this one. So I'll just simply click on that one, and then you should choose the year, or you may not choose, or you just simply remove if you don't want to. And then click on save and wait for it to load. And then now you may close this one, and you may add a college right here. Click on college. Again, add their name. The concentration is optional. If you graduated and click on this graduated right here, you may add a date and click on save afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can add college or high school on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.